Good day everyone, I am Decadent Parba and I'm here to show you on how to get the ship position using stars. So first, let's determine their position. Our latitude is 44 degrees 10 minutes north. Our longitude is 169 degrees and 30 minutes east. Our first star, which is Markab 85.2, and intercept is 5.2 away. Our second star is Rosal 183.3. Intercept is 6.4 towards. So first of all, our latitude is 43 degrees north, 44 degrees north, 45 degrees north, and for our longitude is 168 degrees, 169, and 170. So first thing to do is to plot their position, which is 44 degrees and 10 minutes north and 169 degrees 30 minutes east. So our latitude is 44 degrees. So here is it, and then we have 10 minutes north. So that's it. So our longitude is 169 and 30 minutes. So next is we will determine where is our first star, the Markab, which is 85.2. So by finding the Markab, we will use the compass rose. So in this quadrant, it is a first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. So in each quadrant, it has a 90 degrees. So 85.2. So let's assume that 85.2 is here because so let's assume that the 85.2 degrees is here because each quadrant has 90 degrees. So here's our first star, the Markab 85.2. So second one, so the next step is we will drag our Markab star to our DR position. So we have our next step is we will determine the intercept, which which is 5.2 away. So by using compass divider, we will get this from 44 until 5.2 away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's our intercept, 5.2. So next step, we will now get the parallel lines using 90 degrees. So here is our first parallel lines. So next step, we will drag our PL1 into the compass rose. So let's do it. So let's do that again. So here's our position line 1. PL 175.2 and PL 355.2. So our next star is Rosal, which is 183.3, intercept 6.4 towards. So
Go.
So Rosal star is 183.3. So 183.3 in this quadrant. So next step is we will drag our ZN star to our DR position. So we will drag our ZN star to our DR position. So the next is the intercept, which is 6.4 towards. So in getting intercept, we will use the compass divider. So 6.4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So next, we will find the, or we will get now the PL2. So now we have now the PL2, which is 273.3 and 93.3. So next step is we will now determine our fixed position using our PL1 and PL2. So our PL1 and PL2 is here. So our fixed position is here. The intercept of PL1 and PL2. So the last step is we will now get the latitude and longitude.
Go.
So our latitude is 44.3. And for our latitude is 100. And for our longitude is 169 and 23 minutes. So that will be all. Thank you.